All right, Group 3 Wednesday drill analysis, downwind gear. I found this video in my files here, and it's a good example of getting into downwind gear. You can see boat 4 and 6 are working on getting into downwind gear, almost there, where boat 11 is sailing fairly flat. Much faster to get that windward heel, but crew standing up. Good start. Here we're getting set up for a gate rounding. We can see we have 4 or 5 boats stacked up for the gate. One's gone left. And then we have 2 of them going right, and then we see a jibe over with 2 boats headed to the left. That's excellent. You're not pinwheeling out and taking advantage. You guys got a little far right on that one, but it was the right idea. So here we're going in for a mark rounding, and I put this in here because we can see the setup happening here for the mark rounding and efficiency of going around the mark. So the crew on this one, crew at this point right here, you should be sheeting in. The main's coming in. I see the hands up high. That's awesome. Crew, you're just a little slow on getting on the high side. Heel it down and pump hike and take advantage of the acceleration. Here, uncontrolled jibe. I always talk about controlling your jibes. Look at that heel. If it had a little more wind, you might have lost that. So control those jibes with the main sheet. Here we have boat 11 setting up for a mark rounding. Could have went a little wider. Let's watch what happens on the exit of this. Jibs in a little early, fully sheeted in a little bit early, but went a little bit wider than they had to. I put this in because it's a little bit more of an advanced move between these 2 sailors in boat 1 and 7. See, boat 7's got an overlap on boat 1. They're shadowing the mainsail. They're slowing them down. Advanced move there to be able to take their wind away, and then they split. If I remember, I think boat 7 actually took advantage of that one. This one here, another mark rounding coming up. And get yourselves set up early for the mark rounding so we can have nice tight roundings here. So this one I put in here as well. You can see how far downwind of that mark they went and how much distance they put in there. So for sailors behind, look for that opportunity. For sailors ahead, try not to give that opportunity. So another mark rounding here happening. As we come around, we can see similar type activity here. I had a good vantage point to see that hole. When I say the hole, that's what I'm talking about right there. You can see it very well in this view. Sailors that are behind, try to take advantage of that spot there. You'll probably have 3 boat links on top of this boat if you were able to slip in that spot. See you on Monday.